Are you overwhelmed, frustrated, and lost by the thought of balancing your dissertation with work and family life? Are you worried about becoming another statistic of not completing your dissertation? You're not alone, and you're in the right place, my friend. Welcome. My name is Dr. Brian Martin, and this is the Dissertation Guru channel. I created the Dissertation Guru to offer you hope, encouragement, expert guidance, accountability, and step by step actionable instructions to help you complete your dissertation, doctoral project, or master's theses. You see, this process that you're on, it's not simple. This process has been only completed by 2% of the population of the United States. Let me say that again. What you are working on right now has only been accomplished by 2% of the population within the United States. That statement is a staggering thought, and it also answers why perhaps you might be struggling. Let me just say, if you are struggling, you're not alone. I was right there where you were. I understand where you are coming from, and I'm speaking to you, my friend, individually. I want to offer you hope. I want to offer you actionable steps that you can take today to move forward and get this process completed so you will not be part of that staggering statistic of 40 to 50% of people who are actually enrolled in a doctoral program. They get everything completed except for the big project or the final dissertation. But that's not going to be you, friend. With my help, we are going to get you through to the finish line so you can move forward to whatever your life's journey is. And I want to give you a few reasons why commonly students have told me that they have just given up and why they are no longer pursuing writing their dissertation or doctoral project. And one of the main reasons that I hear over and over is that students do not have accountability and that they do not have an actionable step to take and to move forward. And what that means is that they just lack guidance. They need somebody to partner alongside of them throughout this hard process and give them some step by steps of how they can actually move forward and make progress. And my friends, that's what I'm here for. My life's mission is to help you be successful. Let me give you a few things and a little bit of background personally about myself. You see, this process has not been easy for me. Whenever I was enrolled in my doctoral program, I was working full time. I have a wife, I have two young children. I was also building a house. It was during COVID, and my mother in law suddenly passed away unexpectedly. And in the middle of all that, my friend, I'm telling you, there were times that I wanted to quit. There were times that I asked myself, is this process really worth it? So you see, I understand, and I can tell you on the other side, my friend, it is worth it. And so my goal is to come on this channel, the Dissertation Guru, and offer you encouragement, step by step processes that you can come to this channel and be encouraged and find actionable steps to move you forward in this process. And so I would like to encourage you in closing to go to my page, the Dissertation Guru. .com. That's thedissertationguru.com. I have a link below, and I just encourage you take some time, look over the page. There is a free literature review matrix that you can certainly sign up for. If once you go on that, you can certainly sign up for a free consultation with me if you would like to see some of the services that I offer. I offer all types of consulting. I offer APA formatting help. I offer one-on-one coaching services. And so, if you're struggling, my friend, please, I'm here to help you, and I would like to partner with you to help you get this process completed. Please also subscribe to my channel, and I will promise you that I will provide you regular content each week to help you get this process completed, my friend. So thank you. Have a great day.